To release the glove box, there's a tang each side. Just push the tang in from the outside and it will release. Now do the other side. There's two little tangs on the left-hand side. You want to squeeze those together and then this panel will come away. Now you can grab your filter and just pull it out. Get your new one, making sure that you've noted the direction of airflow. The airflow flows downwards. Slip it back in the box. And now refit your panel. To clip your glove box back in, simply lift it up and it will click into place.